Hi guys, so I bought today this beautiful central pneumatic scraper, right? So I was expecting it will work as a chisel, so I was hoping that this thing moving back and forth maybe 1/8 of an inch or maybe a quarter or at least 1/16, but look, it doesn't move at all. If you see tiny bit, so as you can see, it moves, just vibrates. So I was kind of disappointed, to be honest, and I thought this tool broken or something, right? So I went on YouTube and I see that another guys mentioning the same thing. So look, what I find out also, this is my frame for the secondary battery, right? So these kind of tiny spots here, welds are not so great, but anyway, yeah. So when you do the stick welding or flux wire welding, you have all those sparks, right, with the small dots, and it's like, it's kind of hard to clean it. Usually I use just a chisel, I know, but look, just a wood chisel, right? I have the cheap one. So, and look, I find it out, this small tiny vibration is just good enough to clean after the weld those sparks, you know. And considering that this tool, hold on, have different blades. You see this type of blade, this one is exactly as a spare one, I'm assuming, because it's same size, right? So pretty much we have one of these, and also we have two of these, right? So I would say I would definitely keep this tool and I will use it for cleanup after the weld. This, for now, that's one of the best spot I see I can use it, and yeah, it works just fine, you know, for exactly that kind of type of work. It just cleans, you know, because I have also from the Harbor Freight McGraw, I believe, right? It was like a hammer gun with the chisels. McGraw, yeah, McGraw. And that thing hits hard, but that loud as hell, you know, especially when you work on a metal, and I have the neighbors complaining about the noise. So this tool definitely had a use, especially I got it today on a member sale. I believe I paid like $21 or something like that. So look, it worth to keep it, you know. $20, $50, I don't think I would pay for this type of work. It would be nice if it had adjustment strokes or something, but look, $22, even $25, you can't go wrong. It's good to have it in your toolbox, you know, just in case. Maybe it will work at some areas, right? But $50, would I pay? No, I would never pay for this kind of money. But 25, I think it's fair price. It's good enough. All right. So hope it helps someone. Okay, guys, have a good one.